Welcome back to Super Perry, your ultimate guide to living a healthier life. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 foods that are not only more nutritious, but also tastier when steamed rather than fried. If you're ready to make a simple change that can transform your health, keep watching. Broccoli. Steaming broccoli preserves its vitamin C, sulforaphane, and other antioxidants that can be lost during frying. This makes it a powerful food for boosting immunity and fighting inflammation. Carrots. Steaming carrots enhances their beta-carotene content, which is vital for eye health. Frying, on the other hand, can deplete these nutrients, making them less beneficial. Salmon fish. Steaming fish like salmon retains its omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health. Frying can oxidize these healthy fats, reducing their heart protective benefits. Spinach. Steamed spinach retains its iron and folate, which are critical for blood health and cell function. Frying can destroy these water-soluble vitamins, leaving you with less nutritional value. Asparagus. Steaming asparagus preserves its fiber, vitamins A and C, and folate. Frying can cause these nutrients to break down, diminishing its benefits for digestion and skin health. Zucchini. Steamed zucchini retains more of its vitamin C and potassium, which are key for immune support and heart health. Frying often adds unnecessary fats and calories, reducing its nutritional impact. Chicken breast. Steaming chicken breast keeps it lean and full of protein, without the added fats that come from frying. This makes it an excellent choice for weight management and muscle health. Cauliflower. Steaming cauliflower helps maintain its vitamin K and B vitamins, essential for bone health and energy production. Frying can cause these nutrients to degrade, making the vegetable less beneficial. Sweet potatoes. Steaming sweet potatoes preserves their rich content of vitamin A and fiber, which support vision and digestive health. Frying can turn them into a high-calorie food, losing their natural goodness. Green beans. Steamed green beans retain their vitamins C and K, which are important for immune function and bone health. Frying them can reduce these vitamins and add unhealthy fats. And there you have it, 10 common foods that are best steamed rather than fried. Making this simple swap can help you preserve nutrients, cut down on unnecessary fats, and enjoy the true flavors of your food. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Super Perry for more health tips and tasty ideas. Until next time, steam on and stay healthy.